Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge Port Security informational video. My name is Nico, and today we'll be talking about port security, its functions on the FLEX and CLEER24-10G managed switches, and how we can enable port security on our devices. For starters, what is port security? Port security acts as a series of security features configured at the interface level that prevent unwanted access into the network. Through limiting the amount of MAC addresses that have access to the network, we can prevent rogue devices from connecting directly to our managed switches. MAC addresses are either statically configured on the managed switch or dynamically learned and stored in the switch's memory to prevent unwanted access from unregistered users. There are three types of secure MAC address configurations that we can use to prevent unwanted access on our managed switch. Static MAC addresses, which are manually configured MAC addresses which are configured by the administrator and are not dynamically learned by the switch. Dynamic MAC addresses, which are MAC addresses that are learned dynamically and are stored in the switch's address table. Keep in mind the contents of this table are lost upon a system reboot. And sticky MAC addresses, which are MAC addresses that are saved in the running configuration and are not lost in the event of a system reboot. Commands such as port-security space MAC-address space sticky can convert dynamically learned MAC addresses into sticky MAC addresses. When the maximum amount of MAC addresses on a network is exceeded, or an invalid MAC address is detected, then a security violation is triggered. This can occur in three ways depending on the configurations, which are protect, restrict, or shutdown. A protect security configuration will drop frames from the offending MAC address. A restrict security configuration will also drop frames, but will also create log messages and SNMP traps and increment the violation counter with every offending MAC address. Finally, the shutdown security configuration will also do all of these processes that were previously listed, but will also shut down the port. In order to establish and enable port security on our switch, we will first enter the configure terminal command to enter global configuration mode. We can then access the interfaces that we would like to configure. For example, we will be enabling port security on ports 1 through 11, so our command will be interface gigabit ethernet 1/1-11. From here, we can set the maximum number of MAC addresses allowed on the network with the port-security maximum command. So if we only want to allow 11 MAC addresses on our network, we will use the command port-security maximum 11. We will then enable port security with the port-security command. And if we would like to change the port security violation type, we can use the port-security violation protect command. However, it should be known that the violation configurations are set to protect by default. Afterwards, we can use the end command to return to privileged exec mode and the copy running -config startup -config to save our configurations on startup. Congratulations! You now know how to configure and enable port security on the FLEX and CLEER24-10G managed switches. The switches are capable of much more robust configuration settings, and more examples can be found within our documentation available on our website at nvtphybridge.com. We hope this has been an informative look at port security and its uses within your network, and we hope you have a wonderful day.